What is exactly ClickFunnels? What's up guys, my name is Belchior Pinto. Today I'm gonna answer your question, what is exactly ClickFunnels? Let's dive in. So ClickFunnels is a tool. ClickFunnels is a landing page builder on steroids. One of the biggest selling point is that it's easy to use, very easy, that anybody without any kind of expertise, any kind of coding expertise can use ClickFunnels. And also ClickFunnels integrates with Stripe, PayPal and other types of payment processors, making it extremely easy to integrate if you take payments online for your service. Know that there are many other softwares that you can do the same as ClickFunnels, but ClickFunnels is way more easier than many other tools that have similarity with ClickFunnels. So in the next videos, I'm gonna show you exactly what kind of differentiator that ClickFunnels has above any other softwares out there. And ClickFunnels as well helps you to squeeze, to funnel all your visitors that land in your page. Makes them not trying to being distracted by many other things that you can see in many other software. As I can show you in this example right here, this website right here, they are selling a lot of stuff, right? Physical products. As you can see, so many times people get distracted by looking to many kind of products, you know. Maybe I just want to buy this smart watch, for instance, right? I'm gonna look to other ones. I'm gonna look to this drone right here. I'm gonna look to this other one, and so I'm gonna get distracted, and I'm gonna say to myself, maybe I should buy another one, or maybe I should buy another one, and so I'm gonna have problem to choose which one I need right now. That's the problem with most popular, the traditional websites that normally we see out there. I can show you another example right here. As you can see this website right here, you can get distracted very easily. You know, I can see these products right here, I can see this message right here, and there are many kind of things, and they are not collecting emails on the first place. So they are leaving, many people that are coming here on these websites to buy something. Maybe they say, all right, I will think about it, I don't want to buy it right now, and then they leave the page, and then they're gonna forget everything, you know. And it's easy as human being to forget many times, you know, and they get distracted by so many things right here. That's why the traditional websites, they are losing a lot of money every single day. That's why I encourage you as well to use ClickFunnels. It's very easy to use ClickFunnels. I can show you many other examples. You can type on Google's any kind of thing that you would like to see, or any kind of website out there. You're gonna see that they almost all of them, they are following the traditional kind of websites. They are not using a funnel, you know, a funnel to make people going to a process, to squeeze to a certain process, so that they can have a good perception out to the side without any kind of distraction. Okay, that's very important to put this in mind. Okay? That's very important. As you can see here in this illustration right here, so ClickFunnels works in this way, right? As you can see here, this is this kind of, you know, this kind of funnel right here. First of all, they land to your page, right? To your landing page, your visitors, and then in the first place, you collect the leads, you collect the emails, you collect any kind of information that is necessary for you, right? And it's a big opportunity for you. You know, you can then follow up with many emails so that they can come back and buy your products, even if they forget You can sell them something else. If they are landing on your page, it's because they have certain kind of interest on buying any kind of products or service that you are offering to them. And then you can follow up with sales calls, or if you are selling any kind of products that it's necessary to call them, you can follow up as I already said. And then even if it's a cold traffic, you can follow up, warn them, so that they're gonna be aware that your product is really good. You know, normally people, especially if you're selling high ticket products, people don't necessarily buy on the first place. When they first land on your page, they're gonna buy. No, normally it doesn't happen like that. You know, sometimes you need to follow up, and if you lose their contact, if you don't have any kind of emails or phone number to follow up, you will lose those customers. It means that you are losing money. You are losing a lot of money on the table. So you can follow up with them, and then by doing that, you're gonna see your conversion rate increase very, very much, and you're gonna see that the obstacles, you're gonna decrease a lot. Okay, and you're gonna see that your sales gonna go up very, 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 very much. Okay, right now I'm gonna give you an example of a product, and I'm gonna show you the software right now, and as you can see right here. So this is ClickFunnels. If you want to try it out, if you want to start using ClickFunnels, you can use the link that is on the description, and you have 14 days trial. Trying to use it and see if ClickFunnels is gonna be suitable to your business. Okay, so this is one of my examples right here. This is one of landing page that I have on my account, and I'm gonna show you how this page is very, very is squeezed, make it very easy so that your visitor can come to your page and not being distracted by anything. So all right, almost every page that we're gonna see using ClickFunnels, we're gonna use this concept. So this is the page right here, so I'm gonna show you right here. Okay, now when your visitors comes to this page, they're gonna see only this thing. They will not gonna be distracted by many other messages, you know, like doing that or any kind of ads right here. No, they just see this message right here, like 100% free ebook. Okay, and when they click here, download it now, gonna pop up a message saying to them like, okay, you want this information? Please give me your name and your email. Mostly people they normally just ask for email, all right? Because not everybody gonna be like they give you easily their name. Okay, so they put here the name, for instance my name, okay, Docure, and then put here email. Let me see any kind of email right here. I don't want to put my real email. And then they click here, send me my free copy. So the email is wrong. I need to put some kind of let me see, any other email that I want. Something's wrong here. Okay, wow, it's all right. You see, we first collect their email. Now we have their email. If we see that they are interested in this book that is Affiliate Marketing Made Easy, so we already know as well that they can buy other products related to affiliate marketing. You know, that's very easy. Now we can follow up with them, you know, with different messages and send them different message, different products, different offers. It's very, very easy. And then now they can go to their emails and see the message that you send them, the book or the link for that book that you are selling, or that book that you are offering, for that product that you are offering, for that course that you are offering to them. It's very easy. And normally you can do upsells right here. Before this thank you page, you can do upsell and then downsells and so on. All these kind of things I'm gonna show you here in this channel. So that's why it's really important that you subscribe right now and turn on the notification So you will not miss out anything right here. We're gonna clone many other websites, many other landing page, and show you exactly how to use ClickFunnels. This is a good software. Russell Brunson did a good job, dude, making it. Okay, and it's very easy. You can come here and edit page. You just click here, edit page, and then it's gonna show you the drag and drop page builder, and it's very easy. Anybody can use it. I can change the letter right here. I can change this message right here. I can say affiliate Martin made it easy. I can say you can make $1 million. Okay. By the way, if you see some kind of message like this one, please, it's a scam. Okay, not 1 billion. But whatever, you can write anything you want. Okay, you can write anything you want. It's very easy. You can change the color. You can do any other things right here. But this is not the lesson for today. Today I just wanted to show you what exactly is ClickFunnels and how easy it is, and anybody without any kind of expertise can use it. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.